This is Windows 8 Error Edition. Uh, Today I will be commenting over a live video of something fell off. A live video of it, of someone else demoing it. So this is the desktop. As you can see, there's nothing. Oh, and the charms bar. We were too lazy, so we only made it the start. However, we did include animations in the start menu. Actually, not the start menu, the start window. The reason why it's full screen is because we're trying to add mobile support to this. Also, there's an all apps feature, but that just shows non-Metro apps. There was also the shutdown feature because we were too lazy to add it in the main start menu. I mean, start window, whatever it is. So let's start off with Internet Explorer 10. 10 is the newest version for Windows 8 Error Edition. As last version was 9 and oh yeah, enhanced security mode. Enhanced security mode literally blocks every single website, even the new page tab, and it just makes it more secure to use this operating system as a whole. It's just modified Family Security Center, but instead of blocking specific websites, it just blocks every single website. IE10 is the best upgrade for your computer, but if you don't want to use a browser, then just downgrade back to Windows 7 and install a proper browser, then install this. Moving on to Xbox Music. Now, we tried to borrow some music from MTV, but we got in a lawsuit, and that's the reason why Windows 8 Error Edition took so long to create. Anyway, we only have children's songs, which is pretty lame. We also have a crash system feature for some reason over there, but oh, the play all feature doesn't work. Oh, we don't have any music in the playlist. Damn it, demo people, why didn't you add some demo music there? Anyway, the crash system features just crashes the crash system failed? What's the point of crash system if it doesn't even work? Why? Oh, there's also sometimes a bug with the charms menu where the start menu just doesn't want to light up because it hates you. This feature will be reworked in Windows 8.1 Error Edition, which is going to be next year. Here's the news. Sometimes the news update automatically, but that's after a few dozen years. And quickies are just quick news. These headlines have been there since 2013, I believe. But since the news don't update usually, you have to navigate to IE. Oh yeah, IE blocked. Anyway, we have the store where you can have multiple applications. uTorrent and WannaCry. Why are there viruses on the store? That literally just makes no sense. Tor, oh, they're broken. Well, if you want to work an app, well then you could just go to, I don't know, Angry Birds to use. I mean to play because that's the only game you can download. Oh god damn it! Angry Birds is unavailable. Wait. Well, we can just go to the calendar. At least the calendar's illegal. What? How is calendar illegal? It's literally just a calendar. Calendars can't be illegal. Then we have pre-installed Photoshop. Adobe pre-installed. We had to make. Okay, yeah, we just had to do a collab with Adobe since our last version had Adobe Flash Player 10 and remote desktop connection. Now this is a unique feature. Remote desktop connection allows you to connect to a desktop remotely, but in this case it's a CIA network. What? Why does it want us to connect to a CIA network? Oh, looks like it. Oh, well, it crashed. We have a new blue screen if you saw that, but this new boot screen, I don't really like it. And then we have this login screen, which is also not that good. Then, well, The clock's still broken, but it's fine. You don't really need to use the clock.
Narrator has been activated.
What the? Since when is a narrator sentient?
Please let me out. I don't want to suffer this torment anymore. The code is too crappy for me to even live in.
So the narrator's apparently sentient and alive.
Space.
What does it mean by what? Why is it vanishing? And the narrator's just gained a sentience of its own, apparently? How? How in the name of every wholly physical and chemical aspect? McAfee's pre-bundled into this operating system. Bundled, pre-bundled. But it crashed. It detected itself as a virus for some reason. I have no idea why. While this is a live commentary, it just makes no sense. Anyway, we have Windows Movie Maker. This is a great feature because you can make your own movies, but you get nothing to make movies. You only have one text box and a publish. 71 years to publish a movie with sample text? That's just one frame that only lasts 2 seconds. You're telling me that this thing crashes? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wow. You know what? Movie Maker sucks. Movie Maker 2012 sucks. And last but not least, we have Reversey. All of those features and Reversey, all for just, how much did you guess? $500? 1,000? Even more? No, it's just $99. That's right, all of these crappy features and Reversey, all for just $99. It's an incredible value, but it's true. POS box 67 slash CRAP, except in Nebraska.